Hello everyone, welcome to High Voltage YouTube channel. In this article, we will learn more about TRIAC, its symbol, structure and construction, VA characteristics, applications and some important objective bits on TRIAC. So let's get started and let us see what is the TRIAC. TRIAC stands for Triad for Alternating Current. From its abbreviation, TRI indicates that TRIAC is a three-terminal device, namely as MT1, MT2 and gate, and also indicates it is a AC switch. The major drawback of SCR is unidirectional device as it can conduct only from anode to cathode and not from cathode to anode. However, TRIAC can conduct in both directions, hence it is called bidirectional device. The following figure shows the symbol of TRIAC with an equivalent circuit. Two SCRs are connected in anti-parallel or inverse parallel with gate terminal as common. This is the structure of TRIAC. From this structure, we notice that it is a 4-layer device that consists of 6 doping regions. The gate terminal is designed in a way to have ohmic contact with both N and P regions, which helps the device to get triggered with both positive and negative polarity. Let's observe the VA characteristics of TRIAC. The TRIAC function like a two thyristors connected in anti-parallel, and hence the VA characteristics of TRIAC in the first and third quadrants will be similar to the VA characteristics of a thyristor. When the terminal MT2 is a positive with respect to MT1, the TRIAC is said to be in forward blocking mode. A small leakage current flows through the device. This portion of the characteristics is shown by curve OA. Similarly, when the terminal MT2 is a negative with respect to MT1, the TRIAC is said to be in reverse blocking mode. A small reverse leakage current flows through the device. When the applied voltage either polarity exceeds the breakover voltage, TRIAC current rises and conducts in accordance with its VA characteristics as shown in figure above. However, it is also possible to turn on the TRIAC below the breakover voltage by applying a gate pulse in such that the current through the device should be more than the latching current of the TRIAC. When we talk about DIAC, it is even bidirectional device, but there is a no gate control, whereas in TRIAC it is a bidirectional device with gate control. We will see some applications of TRIAC. Illumination level control, temperature controller, liquid level control, phase control circuits, chopper, fan speed regulator, speed control of single phase induction motor as well as series motor. We will see some important objective bits on TRIAC. First one is how many minimum thyristors make up a TRIAC. A 0, B 1, C 2, D 3. The answer is C 2. Next one. How many doped regions do a standard TRIAC have? A 1, B 6, C 3, D 4. The answer is B 6 regions. Next one is the TRIAC is a dash switch. A unidirectional, B mechanical, C bidirectional, D reverse directional. The answer is C, bidirectional. Next, a track is equivalent to A, two SCRs connected in parallel, B, two SCRs connected in antiparallel, C, one SCR and one diode connected in parallel, D, none of the above. The answer is B, two SCRs connected in anti-parallel. Next one is a triac can pass a portion of dash half cycle through the load. A, only positive, B, only negative, C, both positive and negative, D, none of the above. The answer is C, both positive and negative, because triac is a bidirectional device. Next one is triac can act as a AC switch. Is it true or false? Answer me in comment section. If you have any query, then write that in comment and suggest few video if it is required for better understanding in electrical engineering subject. Thank you for watching. Please like, share to your friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, then you will not miss my video notification.